Everybody loves to have fresh herbs from the garden to enjoy with their meals. It's a great culinary tool. However, most people don't know that herbs play a critical role in keeping away pests in the landscape and in the vegetable garden. I actually use herbs in my landscape, in my vegetable garden, in my citrus garden, and in my rose garden to deter pests. In addition to the culinary uses that herbs can provide, they're a great deterrent for pests, and they smell fantastic when you're maintaining the gardens. Now, herbs can be a little expensive to buy from a nursery, and you need a lot of them if you're trying to deter pests or if you're just trying to use them for culinary benefits. One thing a lot of people do not know is that you can propagate from a parent plant. All that means is you're going to take a cutting from an adult parent plant with adult hormones and grow roots on the cutting to get a brand new plant. This will save you a ton of time. Instead of waiting for a baby plant to grow into an adult, you can start almost any plant from a parent and turn it into a brand new plant in just a few short months. Herbs specifically only take a couple weeks to start roots, and they're ready to go outside about a month later. I'm going to show you a few steps and the tricks that I use for this super simple process. This is such a great activity in the garden to do even with children because it is that simple. All you're going to need is a mason jar and then fresh cuttings from your garden. And in a short amount of time, each one of these cuttings is going to grow roots, and I'll show you exactly how that's going to happen.
Propagating herbs in water is so simple to do. Start by taking at least a 4-inch long cutting that has fresh, green, tender, newer growth. Take the bottom 1 inch to 2 inch of the cutting and remove the leaves by pulling them down toward the bottom of the cutting to expose the nodes. Fill a mason jar with distilled water to cover the stripped part of the stem and place the stems in the jar. Locate the jar in a bright window and change the water every few days if it gets cloudy. Remove stems if they die along the way. Once you see roots form, wait about 2 more weeks until a considerable number of roots appear before moving the cutting into a fully hydrated soilless medium. Propagating herb cuttings in water works easiest with plants from the mint family. And for my full list of recommended herbs, click on the link below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.